Hey guys, how's it going? So I didn't sell any shares of Voyager today. I don't plan to sell any shares of Voyager. If it crashes and goes down in the short term, I'm just gonna buy some more. That is my plan moving forward. But I think the debit card kind of saved the stock from falling any further. And I think this debit card, this MasterCard debit card is a big deal. Why? Because people now can use their Voyager accounts to pay for the utility bills and the food bills and everything else. They don't have to they basically don't have to go to the bank and pull out money. They don't have to rely on the bank anymore. They can just use Voyager to pay for everything they want, which is fantastic. Um, and then later on they'll have more like stock trading, and Voyager will become an all financial app, and hopefully there's like loans and stuff like that in the future, and Voyager will turn into more of a bank than anything else and be valued a lot more than what it is right now. So we'll see what happens, but this is pretty exciting. I think this debit card is a big deal. And I think a lot of people. I don't see. The one thing is, I don't know if people need to be a loyalty program person in order to access the debit card, or they can just access the debit card without it. But it's smart for Voyager to make people at least sign up to the loyalty program, because they want more. They want their customers to be loyal to them, because that creates long-term customers, and that's how you make money, by having long-term customers. So I'm all for the loyalty program. I think it's a big deal, but that's my opinion. So we'll see what happens but I think this debit card is a big deal, and I think if it wasn't for them releasing this news, the stock price would have took a bigger hit today. So yeah, it took a pretty big hit in the morning, got bought up and went to $22, and now it's kind of downtrending, but kind of consolidating around this area. But we look on a longer term perspective, the stock right now is consolidating. There's a chance that we could see this thing hit $18-19. I don't know if it'll ever go back down here again. There's always a possibility. If we enter into a crypto bear market, there's a possibility, but I'm thinking a lot of big money is going to jump in at these prices, because that's just fantastic buying opportunity. I'm not selling. If it goes down to these prices again, I'm adding more into my position, because I think the company's severely undervalued around this area. So we'll see what happens moving forward. It could, we could enter, like I said, we could enter into a bear market. Just it really depends on rich people, because retail investors never want a bear market. They want a bull market all the time, right? So rich people ultimately create bull markets or bear markets, just depending on how they feel or what they want to pump. So let's hope Bitcoin stays in a bull market and keeps getting pumped to the upside. If it doesn't, and it falls flat on its face, then so will Voyager. Ooh, look at that. $59,764. Not a good sign, but no. I have no Bitcoin, because I just looking at, I buy Bitcoin just to buy VGX token, and that's about it. Besides that, I don't really buy Bitcoin. But if Bitcoin falls, so will all cryptos. All cryptos will fall with Bitcoin. Because rich people, that's how they operate, and how the robots operate. So we'll see. Moving forward, this is just off topic, but today, shit ton of snow. Like a lot of snow just hit Edmonton, and I spent like over an hour shoveling snow. It's insane. So much snow in one day. Like, I haven't seen this kind of snow in like 10 years. Our world is so, like, I seriously think global warming is something that is like real, you know? We get like a super hot summer. Like, Edmonton never had this the hottest summer we've ever had in the history of like Edmonton, and now we're having record amount of snow. It's like ridiculous. And I hope that it doesn't continue like this, and I hope that snow doesn't pile up in Edmonton or in Alberta. But you know, it is what it is. Gotta live with what we got. But and then I heard that like in BC, smaller towns are getting flooded, and you know, people are stuck. You know, like floodings in BC, insane, right? I think that's insane. Anyways, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to subscribe. If you don't want to, that's okay. I hope everyone has a great day. Bye.